hour. More than 900 power outages in Hoke, Rowan, and Haywood counties. Nearly 150 flights canceled at RDU International as of this hour. And Wayne County Schools, the first in our area to call off school on Monday. We have live team coverage showing you conditions in several counties all across our area. Let's begin with our team of meteorologists of one right now in the 1 o'clock hour. Let's welcome in meteorologist Amy Wilman.
Elizabeth needs some rest. Grant's live on YouTube coming up in a little bit. So it's me for now. We are watching the snow tracking and move into our area. Chapel Hill, it is coming down. I'm going to show you that camera in just a moment. But we're tracking the surface area of low pressure that's just offshore. Some heavier bands of snow along the North Carolina coast. We've had heavy bands over the western half of North Carolina, and we've had some snow in our area as well. So the winter storm warning continues. We still expect accumulating snow. I know we really haven't seen much in Wake County. It's coming. You just need to be patient. I know a lot of people are asking me, are we still getting snow? Yes. Just bear with us, be patient. So our western county is getting some snow right now. Some dry air a little bit in the central part of our viewing area, including Wake County. So we haven't seen a lot yet. We've seen some flurries, and that's pretty much it, with the exception of eastern Wake County. You've had a little bit of snow, including the Garner area. And then eastern community is getting some snow as well. So a lot of you are getting some snow, and it accumulates fast once it starts. This is a broad picture of the radar right now. So all of this snow is going to start to fill in. It's just going to take some time to do so. And Elizabeth and Grant have been talking about that all morning long. Here's a look at Futurecast. So this is one of our high resolution models. Last night it was doing a really good job at showing this dry air right in the center part of our viewing area. So I'm going with this for the rest of the day today. 5 o'clock this evening, scattered snow showers, maybe still a little bit of some dry air intrusion here. And then as we head into the late evening hour, so this is 8 o'clock, widespread snow. So it's going to take some time for some of you to get some of this accumulating snow, but I still think it's going to happen. Here's 11:15 tonight. We still have widespread snow. And then as we head into the overnight hours, that's when the low pulls away from us and it will take the snow with it. So this will be around on and off throughout the day today. We will have some bands of some heavier snow at times, including Pittsboro. Look at this right now. This view from Doherty's Pub and Restaurant. It is snowing pretty hard right now in Pittsboro in Chatham County. Notice how the roads are really covered in some snow now. So be careful if you are traveling in some of our western communities. Just about 30 minutes ago, I looked at this camera. I really didn't see anything at all. So again, just a sign that it is coming down fast and it will accumulate fast. This is Chapel Hill, this view from Top of the Hill Restaurant. It is coming down and already sticking to the roads and the sidewalks. So again, please be very careful if you're traveling. Beaufort is getting slammed right now with some snow. We've seen this heavy snow for quite some time in Beaufort. So our North Carolina coast really getting hit hard as expected. We knew that was going to be the case because of their proximity to the area of low pressure. And the mountains also getting some snow from this system. Let's take a look at some of those cameras. Boone, look at the roads here in Boone. Getting some heavy snow there. They're under the winter storm warning. Locally, we're also dealing with some wind gusts, gusting up to 25 miles per hour right now in Raleigh with a sustained wind at 14 miles per hour. So if you step outside, maybe you're searching for some of those flurries in Wake County. It is cold. Right now, it is 20 degrees. It feels like 7 right now. So very, very cold outside, and it will stay cold for the next several days. I'll talk more about the wind chill for tomorrow coming up. It'll be pretty brutal. But look at these morning lows. Actual air temperatures very low for the next several days.